Welcome to our channel. If you've noticed that Instagram is randomly blocking followers, you're not alone. This can be frustrating, especially when you don't know why it's happening. In today's video, we'll dive into why Instagram may be blocking followers and how you can fix this issue. Let's get started. Reason 1. Instagram's anti-spam measures. Instagram has strict policies to prevent spam, fake accounts, and abusive behavior. If you're following or interacting with a lot of accounts in a short amount of time, Instagram may flag this as suspicious activity, leading to temporary blocks or restrictions on certain followers. How to fix it? Avoid excessive actions like following or unfollowing large numbers of accounts rapidly. Keep your interactions, likes, comments, follows, natural and gradual. Reason 2. Use of third-party apps. If you're using third-party apps or services to boost followers, likes, or comments, Instagram may identify these apps as violating their terms of service. This can lead to restrictions on your account, including blocking followers or even disabling your account temporarily. How to fix it? Remove any third-party apps linked to your Instagram account. Disconnect any apps that might be automating actions on your behalf. You can check this in Settings, Security, Apps, and Websites. Reason 3. Reported content or violations. If your content has been reported by other users for spam, offensive material, or other violations of Instagram's community guidelines, Instagram may automatically block certain followers from engaging with your account. How to fix it? Review Instagram's community guidelines to ensure your content doesn't violate any rules. If you believe a report was made in error, you can appeal the decision by following Instagram's instructions. Reason 4. Instagram's algorithm error. Sometimes, Instagram's algorithm may mistakenly block or limit interactions due to a bug or error in its system. This can happen randomly, even if you're following all the guidelines. How to fix it? Log out and log back into your Instagram account to refresh the connection. Clear your cache or reinstall the app to resolve any potential bugs. Wait for 24 to 48 hours, as Instagram may lift any temporary restrictions automatically after a period of time. Reason 5. Blocked followers on your end. It's possible that you've accidentally blocked certain followers without realizing it. Instagram allows you to review and manage blocked accounts. How to fix it? Go to your profile and tap the 3 lines in the upper right corner. Tap Settings, Privacy, Blocked Accounts. Check the list of blocked accounts and unblock any followers if necessary. Reason 6. Suspicious or inactive accounts. Instagram may automatically block accounts that appear to be fake or inactive, or if they have suspicious activity patterns like mass following or spamming. How to fix it? Review your followers list and unfollow any accounts that seem fake or inactive. Avoid interacting with accounts that seem suspicious to reduce the chance of Instagram blocking them. Step-by-step fix to unblock followers. If Instagram has blocked certain followers, here's how you can try to unblock them. Log into Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select Settings, Privacy, Blocked Accounts. Find the accounts that are blocked and tap Unblock. If your followers aren't appearing here but are still unable to engage, it could be a glitch that Instagram will fix over time. Keep your app updated for bug fixes. By following these steps and understanding why Instagram may randomly block followers, you can resolve the issue and avoid it in the future. Keep your activity natural and within the platform's guidelines, and your account should remain in good standing.